To connect a Nighthawk router to an Xfinity modem, start by enabling the bridge mode feature on the Xfinity wireless gateway. This step removes the routing abilities of the gateway, but leaves the modem features intact, allowing the Nighthawk router to serve as the primary router. Next, download and install the Nighthawk application on your device. For Android, visit play.google.com, and for iOS, go to apps.apple.com. The app will assist in configuring the settings. Then, use an Ethernet cable to connect the two devices, linking the LAN port on the Xfinity modem to the WAN port on the Nighthawk router. Restart the devices, beginning with the Xfinity modem, followed by the Nighthawk router. Once restarted, locate the Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, and network key, or password, on the underside of the router, and enter these details to connect your devices to the network. By following these steps, connecting a Nighthawk router to an Xfinity modem is a straightforward process.